time for swim lessons, honey. Come on. Don't you want to go swimming? Ouch! That had to hurt.
My tushy. My tushy.
I'm sorry. You gotta be careful.
My tushy. Be careful.
Let's go to swim lessons. Come on, come on. Let's go. Time to go, buddy. Boy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And Daddy comes in for the swoop. Woo!